Hi everybody, here we are at the Sewing Basket in Plymouth, Wisconsin. Just wanted to let you know that we're starting our year-end fabric sale a little early, and we'll be adding things throughout the rest of the year. Right now, up to 45% off, minimum 1 yard cut, $7.99 a yard. If you finish the bolt, $6.99 a yard. We had done some fall fabrics on sale a little earlier. They are still here, but we've added quite a few more. Just take a little walk around here so you can see what they look like. And down along here, some fun piano keys. Nope, everybody needs pretzels in the man cave. And a couple cute farm fabrics. We do have some fat quarter bundles and panels that are on sale. Those are $4.99 a piece. And all along here, some animals, some fish, dog bones and cats, some cute plaids. As we look at what's on sale, remember to think pillowcases, quilt backs, runner backs, all of those types of things. So just a little preview for you. They are on sale now, and each week we'll be adding a little bit more to the sale area. So thanks for stopping with us. A little quick update of what's going on here at the shop. Those of you who are waiting on the Jason Yenter Haven quilt, this is back in stock and up on the website as well. Thanks for stopping with us today, and we'll see you soon. Just so you remember, our hours, we are closed on Sundays and Mondays. See you soon.